Picture a steaming plate, fragrant and inviting, a curl of pink and white shrimp. This humble crustacean is enjoyed worldwide, but its story is ancient. Shrimp have swum in Earth's oceans for hundreds of millions of years, adapting to every environment, from sunlit reefs to the abyss. They're a vital link in the marine food web, sustaining countless species. For early humans, the ocean was a living pantry. As tides receded, tidal pools teemed with life, offering shrimp as an easy, protein-rich meal. This first taste was more than survival. It was the start of a relationship with the sea. Plucking shrimp from shallow pools became a lesson in nature's cycles and the ocean's generosity. Over time, shrimp evolved from a survival food to a global delicacy. Their journey from the ocean floor to our plates is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring connection to the sea. Today, every bite of shrimp carries echoes of this ancient bond. The story of shrimp is the story of us, curious, adaptive, and forever linked to the water. From the first simple catch, a history was set in motion. How do we know early humans ate shrimp? Archaeologists find their exoskeletons in ancient coastal middens, evidence of a diet shaped by the sea. Shrimp were easy to gather from rock pools and estuaries, a reliable food when other hunts failed. Early foragers used bare hands or woven baskets to scoop shrimp from shallow waters. It was a communal activity. Children and elders could join, making it a vital part of survival. As society settled, shrimp catching methods evolved. Nets woven from plant fibers or animal sinew allowed for larger catches. Weirs, fence-like traps, used tides to funnel shrimp into baskets, showing deep knowledge of local waters. These innovations turned shrimp from an opportunistic snack into a staple food. Surplus catches brought food security and allowed communities to grow. Specialization emerged. Some made nets, others fished or gathered. The humble shrimp helped lay the foundation for more complex societies. Its role in early diets was small but transformative. Shrimp quietly shaped the course of human development. As tribes became civilizations, shrimp transformed from survival food to delicacy. In ancient Rome, shrimp graced elite banquets, symbolizing wealth and luxury. Mosaics in Pompeii immortalized shrimp as icons of abundance. In China, shrimp were prized in imperial cuisine, stir-fried, steamed, or made into savory pastes. Indigenous peoples in the Americas sun-dried shrimp for trade, spreading coastal influence inland. In Southeast Asia, shrimp paste became a culinary cornerstone, adding depth to simple dishes. Across continents, shrimp wove into culture, cuisine, and trade. Their value went beyond nutrition. They became symbols of prosperity and connection. Shrimp's journey mirrored the rise of civilization itself. The industrial era revolutionized shrimp fishing. Steam-powered trawlers and massive nets turned local harvests into a global industry. Canning, refrigeration, and freezing let shrimp travel from the Gulf of Mexico to distant cities. Shrimp became a worldwide commodity, fueling new economies and coastal communities. Generations depended on the sea, their lives tied to the rhythms of the catch. But industrial fishing brought problems. Trawler nets caught everything, causing massive bycatch and threatening marine ecosystems. Wild shrimp stocks declined under pressure. The industry's success became its greatest challenge. The global appetite for shrimp forced us to confront the limits of the ocean's bounty. The story of shrimp became one of both triumph and warning. Our choices would shape the future of the sea. To meet demand and protect wild stocks, shrimp farming emerged in the late 20th century. Aquaculture promised a steady supply, transforming coastlines and economies, especially in Asia and Latin America. Today, most shrimp come from farms, making them affordable and ubiquitous in global cuisine. But this success has costs. Mangrove forests are cleared, vital ecosystems lost, and pollution threatens surrounding waters. Ethical concerns over labor and antibiotics persist. The journey from rare luxury to everyday food reflects our ingenuity and our impact. Each shrimp on our plate carries the weight of this history. It's a reminder of our ancient bond with the sea and a call for sustainability. The dance between humans and shrimp continues, shaped by our choices. The future of this relationship depends on how we care for the ocean,